Good day, viewers. On this episode, we are going to work on the screen of this. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad. What happened to it is it has line on the screen here, and let's see. So we have to solve it, not permanently but temporarily. You can see it has a line here, so we are going to lose this screen and then do a quick one, support something here and fill it and adjust it till this line disappears. I will lose this thing, then I will show you how it's being done. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to lose the screen a bit. Let me just lose this. See, we have it. So we are going to use I just find a little foam or paper. You can use paper, but I use foam. I put it here from inside, then I just have to adjust the line is going gradually. After I just where it will go totally. So it's remaining one line. You can see it's gone. It's gone. Totally is gone. So with this now, we'll solve this particular problem. This is Lenovo ThinkPad L430, but you can do it in any laptop that has that screen line. From the base of that line, you pad a small soft, something like a foam or tissue, something like that nature that is soft or selective, then adjust it till it goes. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.